If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time you drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
Today, beauty junkies are raving about the effects that face masks have on our skin. Different face masks work differently for every skin type. No doubt that they are life's little pleasures, but not many of us have the time to whip up one of these. Hi, I'm Rosalind, and today I'll be sharing an amazing nourishing face mask for oily and sensitive skin that you can easily formulate in just 2 minutes. All you need is 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, 5 to 6 drops of rosemary essential oil, 1 teaspoon jojoba oil, 1 cup of yogurt. The lactic acid present in the yogurt repairs and rejuvenates the skin, tightens the pores, and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. 1 tablespoon honey. Honey helps slow down the aging process by keeping the pH balance of your skin in check. Its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties keep skin infections at bay. 5 to 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary, a wonderful culinary and medicinal herb, helps reduce skin inflammation caused by acne, fights against sun damage, and also lessens under-eye puffiness. 1 teaspoon jojoba oil. Enriched with powerful antioxidants, fatty acids, and vitamins, jojoba oil deeply penetrates into the skin and hydrates it. This natural oil balances oily skin, soothes sensitive skin, and alleviates acne. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients. Apply the mask generously and evenly onto your face. Let the mask stay on for 15 minutes. Clean up the mask with a wet, soft cloth and pat it dry with a fresh napkin. This nourishing homemade face mask is my absolute favorite. I hope you too give it a shot. If you have any further queries, do leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.